This video teaches you how to create your own Venn diagram using SmartArt in Microsoft Word. Click Insert. Click SmartArt. This opens the SmartArt dialog box. Click Relationships. Scroll down and click the basic Venn icon. These icons are not labeled until you hover your mouse over them. The basic Venn icon is on the second to last row and looks like 3 overlapping circles. Click OK. Click Text in each circle to enter your own details. This fills in the major categories of the diagram. Draw a text box where you want to enter an overlapping value. To enter text box mode, click the Insert menu. Select Text Box. Right-click the outline of the text box. Click Format Shape. Select No Fill under Fill. This removes the background of the text box. Select No Line under Line. This removes the outline around the text box. Click the text box and type your description. Click another area of the Venn diagram, outside of the text box. Click Design or Format to change your diagram's look. You can customize it with colors, gradient/fill levels, and accents. Once you've perfected your diagram, be sure to save your document. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.